Good morning, Attorney Beretta. Can you hear me?
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. Yes, I can.
Thank you. Good morning and welcome to County Court at Law Number 2. I am Judge Grace M. Uzamba, the presiding judge for County Court at Law Number 2. Sorry about the delayed start. My court is being borrowed for the completion of a district trial. So we're trying to go ahead and get them set up and accommodated. Okay. So the court is in session now using the Zoom application and made public by live streaming to YouTube. Live streaming and as to the YouTube. That's it, because we're not using the court TV today. All persons in this session, as well as the public, are admonished that they shall not and will not record these proceedings. All persons in this session, as well as the attorneys, counsel, and persons in this session, are reminded to exercise proper courtroom decorum and attire at all times. We'll be on record with the official court reporter. I introduce to you Esther Delgado. She is County Court at Law Number 2's official court reporter. Here are some instructions for all of those who have elected to appear by Zoom and are being permitted to appear by Zoom. 1, you cannot be in a vehicle. If you are in a vehicle, you have 2 choices. 1, you can get out of the vehicle, find a place where you can get out of the vehicle and find a quiet place so you can participate. Or 2, you can drive down to County Court at Law Number 2 and show up in person. We are located at 300 De La Rosa, San Antonio, Texas, 78205. We're on the first floor of the Kadena Reeves Justice Center. Okay, second thing, your name must be displayed. First name, last name, not your device's name, not your nickname. It must be your first name and last name. 2, you must have video. And second to that, you must be in a good light so that I can see you clearly. And your device must be on a flat surface, and then place yourself in the center of it so that I can see you clearly. And please refrain from moving around once you place your device on a flat surface. You need to sit up. Anybody who's in the courtroom will sit up and will be sitting up. And so therefore I need for you to sit up. That's as far as your posture is concerned. Now, you're on Zoom. If you cannot do these things in the courtroom, you cannot do it in Zoom. No drinking, eating, smoking, vaping, chewing gum. You cannot do it on Zoom. You cannot do it in the courtroom, so you definitely cannot do it on Zoom. Zoom has a chat feature. Refrain from using the chat to communicate without my permission. 1 exception. We have Deputy Hunter, who is the deputy for today, substituting for us. You can chat to him directly if you need to leave the Zoom and come back. You can let him know where you're going and that you'll be right back. Okay, that's the 1 exception of being able to chat without my direct permission. And that's the only one. I will call your name. How we're going to process today is I will finish calling the docket, then I will move the attorneys to start conferring with the prosecutor, and then I will listen to each individual matter after that. So I will call your name, calling the docket. I will call your name twice. Please go ahead and answer, here or present. Unmute, stay unmuted, and respond, here or. I will ask to make who your attorney is to make sure that you have representation. If I see that you do not have an attorney, I will ask if you need time to hire an attorney, or do you need to apply for a court-appointed attorney? If you need to apply for a court-appointed attorney, I will probably excuse you so you can come down to County Court at Law number 2 and get that process started, so that we'll be able to get you squared away today with that. Even if your attorney answers for you, I still need to hear from the defendant, and I'll check both the defendant and the attorney in. If I mispronounce your name, please correct me so I can make my best effort to get your name, to pronounce your name correctly. If you are in a vehicle, your name is not displayed correctly, you do not have video, you do not appear in video, I will mark you as failure to appear and give you an opportunity to fix that. Either get out of the vehicle or come down to County Court at Law number 2, get your name corrected, rename yourself, or get your video fixed. Then I will mark you as late. When I finish calling the docket, before I finish calling a state that I'm done calling the docket, I will ask, is there anyone that I have not recognized? So I will tell you that I'm not going to recognize you. At the end, I will ask for anyone that I have not recognized. If I have not recognized you, that's the time to speak up so that I may be able to recognize you and remove the failure to appear note that I have. With that, today is Monday. It is the 12th day of September 2022, and I am looking for following persons. Alisa Rodriguez. Alisa Rodriguez. Mark that as failure to appear. Excuse me a second, please. Sorry about that disruption. The next person is Angel Marquez. Angel Milko Marquez.
Judge,
I'm here, Judge.
yeah, he's present, Judge. I need to confer with the ADA.
Okay, I am marking him as failure to appear. He was in a vehicle. I shut off his video.
No, I got out the vehicle. I parked somewhere.
Okay, now, sir, you don't have your video, so let me see what it can do. Okay, you need to start your video. And counsel, thank you very much. I've got you. Detrell Sims, Detrell Trevin Sims. Marcus failure to appear. Michael Benson, Michael Allen Benson.
Present, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Is your attorney Robert Valdez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. We'll go ahead and wait for him. Robert De Los Santos, Robert. O.
Present.
Santos.
Good morning,
Yes.
Judge. Good morning, Judge. This is Jaime Aldape. He's here. And Your Honor, we've already conferred with the DA. We were just going to ask for a reset because of the pending felony.
Okay, I will be back with you, sir. Where's Mr. De Los Santos?
He's right there. You could see him in his full name, Robert De Los Santos. Do you see him, Judge?
No, that's,
I'm here, Judge.
Wave your
there you
hand,
are,
Robert.
there you are, there you
Wave
are.
your hand.
Okay, thank you. I've noted him.
Thank you.
And Mr. Benson, of course. Amado Sandoval, Amado Sandoval. You need to unmute, please, sir, and respond here or present.
Sandoval, Your Honor, he's present on Zoom.
Amado Sandoval, unmute and respond.
Present, ma'am.
Thank
Sorry.
you. Okay. If you don't know how to use Zoom, I would suggest that you get a take a Zoom tutorial, please. Thank you. And counsel, I'll wait for you to get a tie. All righty, thank you.
A tie?
Yes, sir. Rudy Gonzalez, Rudy Gonzalez.
He is present also, Your Honor. He is here in my office.
Okay.
You want to see him?
With you? Is he with you, sir?
Yes. Would you like to see him?
Please.
Do you see him?
Rudy Gonzalez, need to unmute and respond.
Yes, here.
Good morning. Thank you very much. Griselda Rodriguez, Griselda Rodriguez.
Give me that.
Present.
Good morning, ma'am. Is Flavio Hernandez your attorney?
Yes, yes.
Okay, very good. We'll go ahead and wait for him.
Thank you.
Hernandez, Riley Robert Hernandez. Go ahead and mark that as failure to appear. Matthew Rasco, Matthew Edwin Rasco. Mark that as failure to appear. Erdrew Stansberry, Erdrew Stansberry. Mark that as failure to appear. Mary Ruthkowski, Mary Esther Ruthkowski. Mark that as failure to appear.
Oh,
Sonia Rodriguez.
I'm sorry, excuse me, Your Honor. Mary Rakowski, I was trying to unmute it in the wrong spot. I'm here, Mary Rakowski.
Alrighty, thank you very much, ma'am. Is your attorney Ivan Barrera?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present. May I please confer with the state?
Sonia Rodriguez.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Good morning. Good morning,
Good
Ms.
morning.
Yes. Is your attorney Joseph Stetson?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you very much. We'll go ahead and wait for him. Appreciate you being here. Anthony Camp. Anthony Marcus Camp.
Your Honor, Ivan Barana here. I'm here for Mr. Camp.
Okay, sir. Please let me know when he gets here. Okay, sir?
It's a pretrial conference.
Very good. Thank you, counsel. I see that. Appreciate that. Rosando Guevara.
Present, Your Honor.
And where are you? You're in the vehicle. I do not recognize you. I'm marking.
My mom's driving for me.
And
Oh.
I am going to stop the video at this time. You have two choices, sir. Get out of the vehicle, find a quiet place to participate, or continue coming down to County Court at Law Number 2, located at 300 Dolorosa.
Yeah, but I'm not the one driving, Your Honor. My
78.
mom is driving.
Brittany Schramer.
I'm right here. It's Brittany Shermer.
Sharmer, thank you very much, Ms. Sharmer. Is your attorney Matthew Finch?
Yes, ma'am, he is.
Okay, thank you very much. Gennaro Silva.
Good morning, man. Good morning. I'm here.
Say that again, please.
Good morning. I'm here.
Okay, thank you, Mr. And is that Silva? Mr. Silva, is your attorney Monica Guerrero?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. We'll wait for her. Thank you for being here. Aaron Salinas. Oh, that's close. Dante Mathis. Dante D'Angelo Mathis. Deputy Hunter, if you will go ahead and double check for me whether that person is in jail still. Okay. All right. Is there anyone that I have not recognized? Anyone on Zoom that has not heard their name or I have not recognized them?
Yeah, me, Cody Cooper.
Mr. Cooper, how are you today, sir?
I'm good. How about you?
Good, not too bad. Cooper.
I don't know.
Mr. Cooper, who is your
I
attorney,
have it on
please?
the court,
Your Honor, that would be my case.
but
The cause number is 637900, and it should be set for today, Your Honor.
6379, so please repeat the number.
Yes, Judge. It's 637900.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Okay, anyone else? I've got you both checked in, counsel. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Anyone else who I have not recognized or has not heard their name? All right, that concludes the calling of the docket. All right. ADA Hernandez, are you the conferring, do I have just one ADA or what? What's going on?
Good morning, Judge. This is ADA Han. I'll be conferring today.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'm gonna have a seat in the fight back on.
Okay. Let's go ahead and move Attorney Jerry Valdez in with ADA Han.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir. And Attorney Acevedo, you wanted to confer with the ADA as well?
Yeah,
Okay.
yes.
All righty. And Attorney Barrera, you wanted to confer with the ADAs?
Judge, if he did, I'm sorry, I moved him.
Not a problem, not a problem. That's great. Thank you. Okay, anyone else that needs to move in and speak with the ADAs already? Ms. Rodriguez? Could you please tell me what you're doing? Not you, Sonia Rodriguez, Griselda Rodriguez?
I'm sorry.
Oh, yes, what are you doing?
I'm listening to my audio.
Okay, ma'am, you can come on down to the courthouse.
Okay.
Thank you. Attorney Dafe?
Good morning, Judge. This was the case that I mentioned earlier for Robert De Los Santos, case number 649899.
Yes, sir.
I did confer with Ling Han. She had just been put in a breakout room. He
Right.
has a pending felony that's set for trial on October 7th in the 437th.
Mhm.
So we're just asking for a reset so that case can be resolved first, Judge.
How
And
would-
he is here. You checked him in earlier, Judge.
Yes, yes, sir, I did. How would that impact this case? You know?
I am not his attorney on that case, and I don't
Oh.
want to step on. I think Cleophas is his attorney, and the last thing I want to do, Judge, is step on another attorney's case. If he's going to call him as a witness and he has a conviction for a DWI, it's probably not the most helpful thing, Judge. So I think that would actually hurt his case.
Okay, so it's set for trial on the 7th of October?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can we go ahead and reset it for that date so he doesn't have to be, he just needs to check in here by 8:30 and then go on his merry way to the 437th if he's coming in person?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so just, he stops in the county court too, signs in and checks in with the bailiff and they'll release him to go to 437th, okay?
Do I need to log in on that day, Judge, since he's just going to be checking in in person?
And for that, counsel, he'll be here. He'll be here. I mean, that's between you and your client, but he'll be here. He's technically on the docket. I would just jump in and say, hey, he's up in the 437th. That's
Okay. That's fine. I'll put him down with the court's approval to a reset to October 7th. Thank you, Judge.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. You and your client are excused. Thank you so much.
Take care, Judge.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay, we're down to time a little bit. If you would be kind enough to call your attorneys, if you haven't seen your attorneys may be conferring with the ADAs. So if they're not, call your attorneys if you have not heard from your attorney and let them know that you are here in county court at number 2 and we're waiting for them, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I will do.
Okay, we'll be waiting for your attorneys.
May I be put in a breakout room with Mr. Angel Marquez?
Yes, sir.
I have a question. I don't know if my attorney's in the courtroom or not, but he's not answering. So I know that this morning he spoke with me and sent me the Zoom meeting ID, but I haven't heard from him since.
Ma'am, some of the attorneys are usually somewhat in other courts.
Okay.
So they're working in other courts and they may or may have several cases.
Okay.
So they
Just wait. Okay. Sounds good. Okay,
they
thank you.
schedule themselves which courts to go to and how quickly they'll be able to get through. So different
Perfect.
factors. So we'll wait for them, okay? But
Okay, thank you.
I need to remind you all to contact your attorneys if you haven't heard from them. So give them an hour or so and contact them back, okay?
Hello, good morning, Your Honor. This is Rosendo checking in. Rosendo Guevara.
Okay, let me see here.
And then I spoke to my attorney. He said he's a little busy right now, but he will join us when he gets a chance.
Okay, let's see. Okay, sir, you saved yourself a warrant there. Thank you for going ahead and checking in, Mr. Rosendo Guevara, and is your attorney Rolando Garcia?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, it is. Like I said, I just spoke to him. He said he would join us when he gets a chance. He's a little busy in another court.
Yes, absolutely. Not a problem.
Yes,
Thank you for contacting me.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for waiting and being patient with me.
Judge, are you on? Linda? Somebody?
Yes, sir.
Hi, Judge. We have it worked out with the DA Lynn on Mr. Marquez.
What's that cause number, sir? So I can get to it?
Yes, Judge. It's 633-804 and 805. It's on
Yes, sir.
page 1. It's 1 and 2. I mean 2 and 3.
Yes, sir. Got it. Yes,
This
sir.
is for a conditional dismissal, Judge. He does 24 hours community service. He can pay half, and it'll be dismissed. The cases will be dismissed.
We'll go ahead and get that on record once your client checks in.
He's on there, Judge.
Okay.
I'm right here, Judge.
Alrighty. I've got him marked as failure to appear because he was in a vehicle. Alrighty. ADA Hernandez, are you ready on cause number 633-804 and 633-805?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, just give me a second. I'm pulling the file, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thanks.
Estoy aquí. ¿Dar la escoba?
Attorney Valdez,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, do you know that there's a 1622 that's associated with your client? For Article 1622 report associated with your client?
Let's see, Judge. I think I have it on. Yes, Judge. I reviewed it and there's no, there's no issues with it. So.
Counsel, I'm sending you an invitation to join me and the ADA.
Excuse me, Judge, what name did you say?
ADA Hernandez, please send that report to me, okay?
Yes, Your Honor, I can do that in a few moments if I can figure this out.
Okay. Not a problem.
Judge, my attorney is here now.
Okay, thank you.
And Judge, is that breakout room 10 for me and Mr. Marquez?
Let me, thank you, counsel, for reminding me. Let me go ahead and get you guys moved in. Mr. Marquez, if you would go ahead and rejoin that breakout room that you were in. Do you know how to do that, sir? Let me send you another invitation. Attorney Finch, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sorry for being late. I was in the 144th in person. If I could confer with the prosecutor for Ms. Shermer this morning, that would be great.
All righty, sir. Let's go ahead and get Attorney Finch in with ADA Han Martinez. Attorney Montgomery, good morning, sir.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
Oh, fine, thank you. I hope you're doing well, sir.
Me too. Up here in the 290th. I have Mr. Matthew Rasco on your docket, R-A-S-C-O, and his case number is 680175. He is currently incarcerated in the Travis State Jail, and they don't intend to release him until May of 2023.
Sir, is there any way that we could be able to arrange for a Zoom? You say he's in Travis?
Well, it's not the Travis County Jail, ma'am. It's the Travis State Jail. It's their equivalent to our Dominguez.
Gotcha. Travis State Jail, okay. Counsel, I'm sending you an invite.
Excuse me, Judge. I can't get into the breakout room. Angel Marquez.
You were there, sir.
Yeah, but it kicked me out. I don't know why.
Go ahead and go back in there, but let me try again, okay?
All right.
Okay. ADA Hernandez, would you please go ahead and rejoin that room?
Oh, you mean the one with Mr. Marquez?
The room that you were before, yes. Room 10, please. Meeting room 10.
Yes, sir. I'll do that.
I don't know that that's the best defense for a jury, but
Ms. Luna, go ahead and join in room 10, please. Be right back. Be right back, Attorney Barrera. So let's go ahead and put Attorney Montgomery in with the ADA. Conferring ADA, Juan Martinez, please. And then Ms. Luna, if you will go ahead and grab him after that, okay? All right. Attorney Valdez, are you ready to go ahead and conclude on your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Attorney Valdez?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, if you don't mind, I'd like to go ahead and discuss with you on the CLO, please. And the ADA.
Okay, Judge. Stop it.
So Judge, did you want me in a specific breakout room?
Yes, sir, I'm gonna send you an invite.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Don't accept that one yet. Mr. Marquez, join your attorney. You're gonna get an invitation now. Join your attorney.
Judge, do I gotta go to a break room or something?
Yes, join. You have an invitation, sir. Join your attorney. Join your attorney.
For which break room though?
You got the invitation already, sir.
Yeah, but it kicked me out like it did last time.
Okay, alrighty. Let's go ahead. Do not move yet, and let me move you again. Okay, sir. Okay, now accept that invitation. Attorney Barreto?
Yes, Judge. I have updates on 3 of my cases.
Please proceed with cause number for the first one, sir.
Yes, Judge. The first one's on number 20 in the docket.
Thank you.
680-741.
Okay,
Judge, this one is set for an arraignment. We'd like to set this case for a pretrial conference on November the 17th.
counsel, does the court coordinator have your the defendant's email address?
No, Your Honor, but I will provide it as soon as we're done with this hearing.
Okay, all righty. Thank you. Next one.
Next one, Judge. It's probably an add-on towards the end of the docket. Mr. Cody Cooper.
I also have, oh, okay, PTC. Yes, sir.
Judge, that one is also an arraignment. I'd like to set it for a pretrial conference on November the 17th.
You've conferred with the ADAs already?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Alrighty, and then we're just going to take care of camp.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
May Ms. Rutkowski and Mr. Cooper be excused?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, and just give me a minute to go ahead and get sorted out so I can get on record. Let me get the other attorney sorted out, okay?
Understood, Your Honor.
Thank you so much for your patience. Attorney Acevedo?
Yes, Judge. I
Please,
have two.
we're going to
I have
do,
2 on your docket and I conferred on both of them.
okay, sir. Counsel, the first one?
The first one, Amado Sandoval.
Okay, that's number 8, 9, and 10 on the docket, at least 4 and 11, numbers 8 through 11, okay?
Okay, on Mr. Sandoval, he has a felony pending. I'm in the process of getting the felony case worked out. And that should, hopefully, once we get that worked out, that's going to include the misdemeanors also. They all arose out of the same incident.
Counsel, when's the next setting on this felony?
The felony case is set. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Hold on, Judge. I just got to look it up on my computer real quick.
Okay.
I want to say it's in October, but if you just give me a chance. Trying to multitask here. 7-1. Just everything's computerized these days, and it's not as easy as just opening a file. And
It's a little slower, isn't it?
October 5th, Your Honor.
Okay. Counsel, all your client has to do is check in with us around about 8:30, and then he can proceed on to the felony, okay?
Okay.
All right, but he needs to go ahead and check in, make sure that the deputy knows where he's going.
We're going to reset it for the same day?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So he doesn't have to mess with 2 different court dates. So all he has to do, we open up at about 8:30, sir. All he has to do is come in, check in with the deputy, sign in, the deputy checks him off, and deputy will let me know that he's checked in and gone to the 379th.
Okay, Judge. And then the next one is Rudy Gonzalez.
And that's right, number 12. Yes, sir. That's 12 on the docket, number 12 on the docket. Seems like he's got a another case in 13 and 9. And this one is a motion to revoke, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I conferred with the state. I need to get a copy of the MTR. And also I need to get my discovery because they're alleging a new number 1.
Okay, do you want me to go ahead and place you in with the CLO?
Judge, without knowing what happened on the new number 1, it's probably, I probably won't have much to talk to her about.
The CLO, you already have the MTR?
No, I need to get a copy of the MTR, but I can get that from the court.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking the CLO.
Oh, okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All righty. So what you want to go ahead and reset that for what? Oh, want to hear it today?
Discovery, Your Honor.
Well, it's already said. Can we go ahead and be able to take care of this by to hear the MTR? We've got to hear the MTR and get it working. There is, counsel, I see there's a county court 13 case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Could that be the new one, sir?
No.
Okay, gotcha.
The new one, the new number 1 they're alleging is from, I want to say Nueces County.
Oh, gotcha. All righty. So let me go ahead and put you in with the CLO. So, but we'll need to go ahead and be able to dispose of this MTR, know what we're going to do with it. So what we're going to do with it.
Okay. Can Mr. Sandoval be excused?
Oh, yes, sir. Absolutely.
Amado, I'll call you a little bit later, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you too. Have a good
one. So I wait for the
for your phone call.
Hang on 2 seconds. We're working on Rudy Gonzalez. What are we gonna reset that for? Where did he go?
Sorry, Judge, I gave him the invitation. I can jump in and tell him to come back.
Okay, thanks. No, that's okay. You know, just hang on 2 seconds. Officer Jennings, can you join him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thanks. But he needs to come back. Okay, great. Attorney Hernandez, Flavio Hernandez, just waiting for you to get a jacket, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Attorney Valdez, are we ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor. We're all ready to proceed, and his next mental health evaluation or court date visit is the 29th of this month, Judge. And that is part of the conditions of his federal parole.
Oh, no, it's on the 30th.
Oh, 30th, okay.
My bad.
I'm videoing.
I have to check real quick.
Okay. Let's get on record. Let's get on, court is going to call cause number 633-804, 633-805, State of Texas versus Angel Miklo Marquez. Please approach and identify who is before the court, starting with the state.
Victor Hernandez for the state.
Jerry Valdez Jr. for Mr. Marquez.
Are you Angel Miklo Marquez?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let the record reflect that the defendant is in the court section with his attorney. Council, you had mentioned that the state has offered and you're wanting to reset this so that Mr. Marquez will be able to complete conditions for a possible dismissal.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state, what are the conditions?
Your Honor, looks like both cases, looks like 24 hours community service restitution. So that's 12 for each case. And looks like the defendant can buy out 12 hours, but he must perform 12 hours of community service. I think that's the only condition from what I see in the notes here.
Alrighty. Alrighty, council court is going to add a proof of continued medical treatment and medication compliance, to be medication compliant. And you have indicated that the next possible opportunity for him to get that proof is going to be the 20th or the 30th of September 2022. So can we reset this for the 14th of October 2022, sir?
Yes, ma'am, that's fine with me.
Okay. All righty. Now, if he's not able to go ahead and get that accomplished on the complete all his conditions to include this proof, he will need to plead that day on the 4th of October. Is that okay still?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, if he's going to go ahead and if he does contemplate on making a donation, that donation must be made to Therapeutic Justice Foundation. And you can talk to CLO Jennings to get the rate and any other information needed.
Okay. And as far as the rest of the community service hours work, can he do that at the food bank, Judge, or?
I can, yeah, that is one that I believe supports, but you can talk to CLO Jennings.
Okay, Judge.
Okay. All right. Council, does the CLO, excuse me, does the court coordinator have Mr. Marquez's email address?
No, Your Honor, I don't believe we do, and I know I don't.
Okay. All righty, let me put your client in and you with the CLO, with Ms. Luna, and she can move you over to talk with the CLO, or the CLO can go ahead and join you guys there, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Anything further on this matter, counsel?
No, Judge.
State?
No, Your Honor.
All righty. You and your client can be excused after speaking with the respective court staff, okay, counsel?
Yes, Judge. Uncle, go back to the breakout room.
Let me send you to the court coordinator first. Is that okay? Or which one do you want to go to? We're off record.
Either one, Judge.
Ms. Luna, would you go ahead and join the folks in the breakout room, please? Alrighty,
Yes, Judge.
thank you. Attorney Acevedo, what we were going to reset that for, Mr. Gonzalez?
Judge, I was gonna ask you to give me a date.
Okay.
We need time to get the discovery. The only two allegations are involving the new number one. There's a third allegation on there, Judge, that has nothing to do with my client. I think it's the violation was entered in error.
Okay. Alrighty. So, what's your calendar look like, sir?
Judge, my
The
calendar,
The
my
third or
calendar
the
is always
seventh,
full.
right? The 3rd or the 7th of October?
Hold on, let me get there.
Okay. While you're doing that, Attorney Flavio Hernandez, do you need to confer with the ADAs?
Yes, ma'am, with Ling Han, please.
Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
thank you, sir.
Judge, the 7th would be good.
Okay. So we're resetting the motion to revoke for the 7th of October.
Yes, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
So at that time, we'll be ready to dispose of it, right?
Unless we're setting it, unless we need a contested hearing, the state's not.
And you'll know that by then.
If they turn over the discovery by then, yes.
Okay. Okay, counsel. Can I put you in with your client?
My client is here, Judge.
Okay, can I put you in with the court coordinator so you can get a reset?
Date? Yes, Judge.
Thank you. And you and your client are excused from there.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, sir. Attorney Finch?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. Did you already confer with the ADAs?
I have, Your Honor, and Ling has offered my client an opportunity to participate in a pretrial diversion program, and we need to apply for that, and I'd ask for a reset for that.
Okay. What's the cost number, sir?
684196, Your Honor.
Number 24, Judge.
Thank you. Alrighty. Okay, counsel, I'm gonna put you and your client in with the court coordinator and you guys can be excused from there, okay? Once you get a reset form, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Esther, did you already move Ms. Shermer?
No, Judge, I did not. I'm sorry. Is she going with the court coordinator as well?
Right.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Attorney Barrera, that's 683053, right?
Yes, Your Honor, I believe that's correct.
ADA Hernandez, do you have that case pulled up, 683-053?
I'm bringing it up right now, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, say again?
For 683-053.
53, yes, sir.
Oh, yes, yes, Your Honor. Yes, I brought it up, Your Honor.
All righty, let's go ahead and get on record. Court is going to call cause number 683-053, State of Texas versus Anthony Marquez Camp. Attorneys and attorneys only, please approach and identify who's before the court, starting with the state.
Victor Hernandez for the state.
Ivan Burr for the defense.
We're here for a pretrial conference hearing today, Monday, 12th of September, 2022. This is a reset from, I believe, Thursday. So state, please proceed.
So it looks like this case involves the University of Texas at San Antonio Police Department. And as far as I can tell, it looks like the state has not conferred a plea offer yet. I'm not sure if the defense can clarify that.
Counsel, do you acknowledge that you have not received an offer from the state?
That's correct, Your Honor. I did confer this morning, but the state was reluctant to provide an offer because they are still missing the blood results and we are still missing videos for this case.
And you, okay, counsel, what are are you aware of the specific videos that you're missing from which police officer?
Yes, Judge, it would be all of them, all dash and all body cam.
Do you know from which particular officer?
Not specifically, Your Honor.
And these are blood results stemming from, this is not the standard discovery. This is just blood results to know what's going on. Is that it?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Counsel, how are we going to dispose of this matter?
Judge, we'd like to set this case for trial announcements on December the 15th and trial on December the 19th.
Counsel, would it be okay if we pushed you into January, just to make sure that you'll have ample time to get those blood results. I don't know, I'm trying to find out when the offense date was.
Judge, a January date would be fine.
Counsel, I was looking at about 16 January.
Judge, that's perfect. The 16th of January, though it lands on Martin Luther King Day. Not sure if they're closing that.
It is the 23rd.
That'll be fine, Your Honor.
Okay. Will an interpreter be needed for the defendant?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Regarding witnesses, will the defense rely on the state's file on police reports, file a motion, or have the witnesses read on record at this time?
Judge, we'll rely on the state's file and police report.
State, do you reserve your right to supplement?
Yes, Your Honor. It looks like we will have to supplement.
And the supplementation date will be?
Yeah.
20th. Trial date is the 23rd of January.
Yeah.
So I'll say, let's see, the 1st of January.
Defense?
No objection, Your Honor.
And I think she also needed help getting out of the car. So it wasn't like,
Could you mute,
turn yourself upside down.
ADA
buckle
Hernandez,
yourself
could
in,
you mute?
And then,
Sorry, Your Honor? Oh,
Please
me?
mute. Since the 1st is a holiday, can we put the 2nd of January, or do you want to move it up?
2nd of January is fine, Your Honor. Yes.
Defense?
No objection, Your Honor.
All motions and or pretrial requests will be in writing. Regarding that, State, have you filed any motions in this case?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
Judge, just a general omnibus discovery motion.
Anything that needs to be set for hearing at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. And State, you have any discovery concerns or issues?
No, Your Honor, other than the blood result issue, I see no other issue for discussion, Your Honor.
The blood results, do you know how far that is or the status of that?
No, Your Honor, I see nothing in my notes indicating any progress on that, Your Honor, especially since it involves the, another agency, not the San Antonio Police. Some of those other agencies can take a while when it comes to blood results.
Okay, and regarding the, have those been requested?
Yes, Your Honor, it looks like there was a request from what I see. Yes, Your Honor.
They were requested when?
Your Honor, I see, looks like the request was I think June 9th.
I'm sorry, when?
Your Honor, I see a June 9th, 2022 as the date of the evidence request.
Okay, June 9th, okay. Any other discovery issues or concerns, ADA, state,
No, Your Honor.
defense?
Just the missing blood results and all the videos for this case.
Counsel, defense, have you received your e-discovery otherwise?
Yes, Your Honor.
And information?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you able to waive arraignment on behalf of your defendant, your client?
We do waive, Your Honor.
The court admonishes the parties to exercise due diligence to ensure that discovery does not impede the execution of trial on the set date of 23 January 2023. As well as orders. And also as well, defense to exercise due diligence to notify defendant of the next court date. At this time, pending, subject to any motion that may be set for a hearing, the next court date for this defendant will be the 23rd of January 2023. If the defendant does decide to accept the state's offer, defense will tender a jury waiver immediately and set this matter for a plea within 2 to 3 weeks. State, do you acknowledge the court's admonishments in order?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes,
Defense?
Your Honor.
Defense, does the court coordinator have the defendant's email address?
Yes, Your Honor. I sent it this morning.
State. Anything further on this matter?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Subject to your objections, the court understands clause number 683053, State of Texas versus Anthony Marcus. This matter will be disposed of by trial. The 23rd of January 2023. No interpreter is needed for the defendant. The defense will rely on the state's file and police reports, and the state will supplement by the 2nd of January 2023, and neither party objects to that. Defense is okay. And state, you did not object to the trial date being set for the 23rd of January 2023?
Your Honor, can you please clarify, is that for the trial announcement date?
No, just a trial date.
Oh, I see. I have no objection, Your Honor.
Okay. The arresting agency is the University of Texas, or UTSA Police Department.
Yes, Your Honor.
State has not filed any motions in this case, and the defense has filed an omnibus discovery motion. Both the state and defense have discovery concerns, namely blood results on this matter, and the videos, dash cam and body cam. The state has requested those videos. They requested them on the 9th of June 2022. Defense has received the e-discovery and information and does waive arraignment on behalf of this defendant. The defense acknowledges that no offer has been made on this case due to waiting for the blood discovery on the state waiting on the blood discovery results. Both the state and the defense acknowledge the court's admonishments and order, and the coordinator has the defendant's email address and will be sending him a case reset form. State, any objections to the court's recitation?
Yes, well, it was one thing, Your Honor, as far as the videos, from what I understand, they are in our system and they are discoverable. So I think the only outstanding evidence issue is the blood results. I'm not sure if there's some kind of problem with defense accessing those videos, but I wasn't in the discussion there.
Okay. Defense?
Judge, if they're up on e-discovery, then the only issue is the blood results.
No seatbelt.
Okay. Defense, is there any way for you to confirm you have them, or are you having issues? Or missing some, or?
Judge, I am looking that up right now. It's loading. Sorry, Judge, the e-discovery decides to crash. At this
Oh,
moment.
wow. Okay. Well, what I will do is I will let you guys go ahead and just confirm that with each other, okay? I've noted here that it is discoverable. It's loaded up in e-discovery.
Yes, Judge, and I'll confirm with the state after the hearing if there are any issues.
Okay. State, anything else? With that, I have made a note. And anything else, State?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. And so no objections. Correction.
No objections, Your Honor.
Okay. Counsel, defense?
No objections, Your Honor.
All righty. Okay. I'll let you guys work out the discovery issue. Counsel, anything further in Attorney Beretta, anything further in this court?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay. Yes, counsel. Someone's giving me feedback. Counsel, is Ms. Rutkowski your client?
She is, Your Honor. I see so on Ms. Rutkowski, you can exit the Zoom hearing already.
I am here.
Okay, I'll let you handle that, counsel. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All righty, you and your clients are excused. Have a great one.
Sure. Can you see me okay?
Contact your attorney, Ms. Rutkowski, okay? You're excused.
Okay.
You can leave.
Excused?
Yes, you can leave. Are you having?
Thank you, ma'am.
Hearing.
I just want to make sure that I heard you correctly.
Okay. Contact your attorney, okay?
All right, thank you. God bless.
Thank you. Okay. Attorney Valdez, good morning, sir.
Yes, Judge, can you hear me? I'm in here in the courtroom
Yes, sir.
in the office.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for going ahead and accommodating us. As you can see, probably there's a trial going on now.
Yes, there it is. And of course, I've been in district court, so I apologize for coming in late.
Not at all.
Mr. Benson is present as well. And I talked to the coordinator. She gave me a date, a withdrawal date of 12/15/22.
And I believe that we have Mr. Benson's email address.
I don't have it, but if you, I mean, I can get it right now from him.
Okay, let me go ahead and put you in. Let's make sure I put your client in with you and the court coordinator and counsel. You and your client can be excused after you finish talking with the court coordinator, okay? Because I
All
got
right.
states. I
Thank you.
appreciate your time, sir. Mr. Benson, go ahead and join your attorney. Accept the invitation, thanks. Attorney Corby, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here just to verify that my client Alyssa Rodriguez case is going to be dismissed today. I do believe that we e-filed all the conditions for the conditional dismissal last Thursday. And I
Okay.
just want to follow up on it, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
Counsel, I'm grabbing the court file right now, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Attorney Flavio Hernandez.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here with Griselda Rodriguez, and I've spoken with the state, and I provided a witness statement, which may lead to a dismissal on the DWI 387. My client has two other cases which still need to be resolved, and I've been contacted by the prosecutor's office for permission to speak with my client as the victim of domestic violence, which I believe involved the individual that gave rise to these other two cases. So we may have one dismissal in the process, and we need time for the other case to be sorted out because she may have been a victim instead of the perpetrator of criminal mischief. I am scheduled in your court on October 11 on another case, Your Honor, and it would expedite matters if we could set this case on the same day, these cases.
Counsel, you're talking of counts number 676-387?
Yes, ma'am.
Griselda, okay. And
That's a,
go ahead.
that's a DWI, and my client was not driving, and we provided a witness statement to that effect. And Prosecutor Ling is going to look into that for a possible dismissal.
Okay. And you said there was another case, okay?
There's two more cases. Six, I don't think they're on the docket.
Okay, thank you.
Two other cases are 686616, resisting arrest, and 686617, criminal mischief.
Okay.
And at least one of these might be related to a domestic violence case where my client is the victim. I've been contacted by the prosecutors for permission to contact my client, and I expect that that will be sorted out in her favor. So I'm asking for a reset for October 11, when I'm already scheduled for this court.
Yes, sir. Counsel, your client, I believe, is in the courtroom. I have my court coordinator, as soon as we get done, as soon as she gets a chance, to run out there and give her a case reset form for the 11th of October. And we're hoping to have these cases disposed of by then.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
You and your client will be excused. Yes, sir, you can be excused, and your client will be excused as soon as she gets a reset form. Thank you so much for being here, sir.
Thank you very much, Judge. See you soon.
All righty.
Judge, I got the date for October 11 for Ms. Rodriguez. What was it set for?
Hopefully disposition. And I'll sort out the notes for you. Attorney Corby, I have a certificate of completion for U Impact, as well as I think DWI Education. Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. And should be a donation to Blessed Hearts, I believe.
Yes. Okay, and then, all righty. And give me 2 seconds. Come in. Also, I'm going to share my screen. Can you see my screen?
I can, Your Honor.
Okay. Also, I guess you'll get a copy of that and it will be taking, that will take care of it.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, thank you so much, Counsel.
Appreciate you.
Yes, same here. Thank you.
Bye.
A good one. Attorney Rolando Garcia, good morning, sir. How you doing? Oh, you're muted, sir. You're muted.
I'm sorry, Judge. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Apologize for the late appearance. I was in the 175th. I had two cases that were set for trial this morning. And I was fortunately, I was able to resolve the issues and make an appearance in your court.
Thank you.
On Mr. Rosendo Guevara. We have an offer in place already. I haven't been able to prepare the documentation. I don't know what your protocol is, Judge. Do we prepare the plea documents today, or do we reset it and in the interim prepare the plea documents?
What's the cause number on this one, sir?
It's hold on, let me get it for you.
Number 23, Judge.
Okay, thanks. So we're supposed to be pleading him right now.
What's that, Judge?
We're supposed, he set for a plea today, so everything needed to be ready today for us to plead him.
Okay. Like I said, I've been bogged down all morning. I haven't had an opportunity to go over any of the documentation with him.
Okay. What do you want to do? Come back at 1:30?
If I could, Judge, I could like to reset it for, let's see what my.
No, it's supposed to be pled today, sir. I was just giving you an opportunity to come back at 1:30, get all the paperwork done.
Could I do it tomorrow, Judge?
How come it can't be done today?
I guess.
Have you received the paperwork from the state?
No, Your Honor.
State? Cause number 683-689. Where's the paperwork?
I'm sorry, I'll have to check with the co-counsel on that. I have no
Okay.
information on that. I'm sorry.
683-689, please.
Yes. Very good. Looks like she stepped out. I'm not sure where she went, but when she gets back, I'll ask.
Okay.
Judge, while we're waiting for Ms. Han, do you mind telling me what Ms. Griselda Rodriguez was set for? She's set for a page date. Her cause number is 676387.
Who's that?
Griselda Rodriguez. She was with Mr. Flavio.
Okay. Oh, should be a disposition. You can go ahead and I just set it for pre-trial.
Okay.
Not the hearing, but just pre-trial. And you can make a note at disposition.
Will do. Thank you.
Thank you. State, can I put you in the breakout room with Attorney Garcia so you guys can figure out where the paperwork is?
Absolutely, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. You should just be able to rejoin your room at 88, huh? ADA Hernandez, can you give us an update on the paperwork?
Yes, sir. It looks like there was I guess, some kind of misunderstanding where we didn't know that there was an acceptance of the plea. And so we didn't have any information on the defendant's email address or anything like that. So effectively, we're trying to put together the plea paperwork now and send it off to defense counsel. So it looks like we have to go through that whole process right now, Your Honor.
Okay.
I think we're going to try and reset for today or tomorrow, but we're discussing that now.
It'll be today.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry. Are you Mr. Guevara?
Okay, Mr. Silva, I need for you
Yes,
to
ma'am.
stay muted, sir.
Excuse-
Okay, there's feedback. Mr. Attorney Garcia, 1:30 be okay or 2 o'clock?
Probably, probably 2, Judge. No, let's do it at 1:30. And there's no way I can do it tomorrow. I have some people coming over to this afternoon. I had some workers coming over to get some work done, and that's why I needed to get out this afternoon over or at my place. I can do it tomorrow or any day this week.
Okay, you'll make sure that we have the paperwork done today, right, sir?
Yes, that's for sure. And I'll go over it with my client, have everything prepared, and then I'll be in court tomorrow and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday on various cases. So I'll be available, Judge.
Okay, so tomorrow looks like the best day for you.
That'd be fine, Judge.
All righty. Why don't we go ahead and do that, and we'll recall, do we have your, let me put you and your client in with the court coordinator, make sure we have a reset form. If it doesn't show up tomorrow, understand a warrant will be issued. If it
Of course, Your Honor.
Okay, let me go ahead and do that so we can get a piece of paper in your hand, in your client's hands, okay?
Appreciate it, Judge. I appreciate your
Not a
patience with me.
Not a problem, sir. It's still running around, same old running around, isn't it? Okay, you guys are basically, Ms. Silva, Mr. Silva, Ms. Rodriguez, basically waiting on your attorney. We're going to, guys, we'll continue to wait for them till 12. If they don't show up, it'll probably be the same attorney. Again, they are in the felony courts, the district courts. Mr. Silva, you need to unmute. You have your hand.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Oh, yeah. See, because last night I was working. You know, I'm working over here in Oklahoma in the oil rigs, and I get out at 6 in the morning and I sleep nothing. You know, and I'm going back to work 6
Mr.
p.m.
Silva, Mr.
Yes,
Silva, I appreciate all of that. You can take yourself a power nap and be back at 1:30. Okay?
On 1:30.
Yes, 1:30 this afternoon.
Okay, I just click the Zoom and then the ID or.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. At 1:30.
Okay. Yes, sir. That's exactly what I was just going to say. They're still, your attorneys are still in the felony courts, the district courts. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you guys can go ahead and wait for them until noon. But otherwise, I will have them come back at 12 at 1:30.
1:30 sounds good, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
All right. And the court will be in recess till 1:30. Okay, you guys enjoy lunch.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.